Today we're going to do a review of the KitchenAid stand mixer ice cream maker. We're really excited about this one. We've got to get it out of the package and get it washed up before we can start to show you. All right, so getting it out of the package, just want to show you what it comes with. It comes with the paddle and this little attachment for the mixer. That was all set in this nice styrofoam packaging. It also came with lots of instructions. So we're going to go ahead and take a look through these and then get this washed up. And then we'll show you how. These are the three pieces now that they're all washed. I washed them all by hand. But according to KitchenAid's website, this part is the only part that is dishwasher safe. So just know that if you're making ice cream, make sure you're washing these both by hand. All right, one thing I do want to tell you is I didn't notice it when I first picked it up, but after I washed it, I don't know if you can hear that. All right, it's got liquid inside it, and I thought maybe I got water inside. But no, it's supposed to sound like that because evidently there's like that blue gel inside there that goes inside like an ice pack or something. That is also inside this bowl. So you want to make sure it's dried well before you put it in the freezer. How much room it takes up or not. I have a side-by-side, so the freezer space is skinny. And we're going to let it freeze for 24 hours according to KitchenAid's website. So my ice cream has been churning on that low speed, that number 1 speed, for about 20 minutes now, and we can see it starting to thicken up. We're really excited to give this a taste and see how it comes out. By the way, if you're interested in the bowl and the attachment, we can tell you all about that. We'll let you know which one we bought on Amazon. We'll put that in the comments. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little taste of it here. I'm dying to. That is so sweet. We highly recommend the KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment for your stand mixer.